Hey, Goofy, word on the street is Dad wants to do the Christmas lights in the backyard.
Gosh.
That calls for a Christmas jacket. The first time this year. The little dog Winnie's first time in a Christmas sweater. Winnie's gonna help us decorate outside. So it's November 11th, and oh, that's so funny. Tomorrow's November 12th. It's my dad's 70th birthday. But before we begin the outdoor, we're gonna do our outdoor decorating today, and then we're gonna do our like huge Christmas Day decorating indoor and everything like that, trees and all that works, next Sunday. We like to do like an all-day extravaganza, but we still have some pumpkins outside, so I'm gonna go get that taken care of for Dad while he changes into his green Christmas outfit. It's like 55 degrees and it's gorgeous out here. It's like the perfect day to say goodbye to fall. Excuse me, the shoes? You look like Santa's little helper. Are you ready for this? Bryan, Holgate's outdoor decorating, here we go! This is Winnie's first year decorating for Christmas with us. Winnie Pig, snort. Ew, the Christmas spider.
No, Dad, stop. Stop it.
Ugh.
You like?
I don't know, he's gross. Celebrate. Are we having fun yet? I just reached into my jacket the last time I wore this. Boarding passes to go home from Christmas last year and a tissue. All right, everybody, Dad's first order of business. I'm your security detail, Dad. Don't worry, I won't trust you. Yeah. You are the best, Dad. La 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 la. Judy is doing her normal Judy thing where she gets a little distracted, runs off for a snacker. She'll be with us shortly. Oh, shortly is over. Hey, Santa's helper. What'd you get as a snack? Lychees? Can you believe this is Winnie's first Christmas as a Holgate? Aww. With the sunlight coming in on Dad.
Did I get a Christmas album?
Yeah, this is, oh my God, Dad's album cover Christmas edition. This is the video. We interrupt this decorating because we're gonna go up to Walmart to get some more red lights for Dad's tree. Anything else anybody wants to get at Walmart? Eggnog?
Yes.
Sip through a straw? What? Okay, let's go to Walmart. We're following our leader into Walmart to go get some more red lights, look at a few decorations, then head to the grocery store, get the things we need, then head back home. Okay.
What do you guys like? Do you like this kind?
Dad's barely made it even into the garden area, and he's looking at the yummy trees.
Or these?
He says he doesn't know if they're indoor or outdoor, but they're gonna be amazing. Okay.
$8.
Oh, we should get fake snow or do snow on the trees. I mean, we have to find the little things, the $2 things, Dad. We have to find things to put in our little community before next weekend. I found the Disney stuff, Dee Dee. Oh my God. These are really cute, Dad.
Oh,
So is that. Remember our chip and Dale Nutcracker?
Don't get like this.
like I love
No,
blue
we won't.
Christmas, but we don't do.
We'll have a blue. So basically the story is Dad wants to wrap fake presents under the tree because we don't ever celebrate Christmas in Texas under our tree, wrapped around under our tree, wrapped in red. But so he wants to wrap some gifts to put it down there to get that real vibe. This is what we came for. How many do you need to get, Dad?
3 at the least.
Yes, sir, Father. Yeah. Should I get 2 of those,
I'm
Dad?
dreaming of a pink Christmas.
Ken?
Would you rather have that on your bed?
Yes, please. So I'm getting my pink little flamingo, and then I'm getting this pink flamingo
For her room.
Also.
Not cute. So she's doing the pink flamingo theme. And boom, first errand done. Dad, I just need a little bite of sugar. We're back home from Walmart and Tom Thumb, and Kenzie's gonna be merry and bright and put our pillows in place. And they already have lights in them?
Yeah.
You're so smart. Okay, time lapse. One pillar almost done. Merry Dadmas. It's just a little garland, but it just looks so good. Do we have the broom out here still?
It's right inside the door.
Done. We now are gay dad apparel. Word to the wise though, don't touch these things. They're very sharp and like very sharp. Which side, Dad? You need the pokey side.
The male side.
That's gross.
Just hang on tight to that. Oh my god, what is better than Christmas lights? Brand new
Nothing.
plug-in.
Well, you. Okay, Dad's red tree is done. Wait till you see it in the dark.
Look at Dad's bushes. They're so
Daddy.
cute and bright. Winnie! Winnie!
Report cards are in for these dogs for today. Copper, amazing. Winnie, failed. She screamed, she barked, she howled. But let's see Dad's work. It's coming together. I'm getting my annual Daddy and Kenzie lights photo. They're so cute. Bryan W. Griswold's Family Christmas. Shout out to the cutest, sweetest, smartest, most talented, best decorator, hanging up of lights, our dad, Bryan Holgate, my angel boy. He's working on our last thing that we have to do for the day, which is hanging up the lights around the door. And then we're gonna step back like this, and Dad will plug in all the lights, and you'll just see it lit up, and you'll be so euphoric, and you'll be like, oh my god, Holgate, I just love Christmas. Okay. Dee Silent Night.
Drum roll, please. Ready?
Yes, we're ready, Clark.
3, 2, 1. Going to the world.
Dad, you did this in one day?
Is it good?
It's amazing. Get out here. Oh my god, okay, cousin Eddie's gonna show up literally right now. Dad, this is incredible, honey.
Oh, it's so like cozy.
Dad, good idea on doing the bushes. Normally we don't do the bushes, we do the fence. But Dad's right, we should have all the lights within our own kingdom.
It's glorious, Clark. Oh, look at the tree.
I hope no one I know sees me standing outside in my pajamas.
Good job, Audrey. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, day one of Christmas prep is officially done.
Bye, Merry Christmas.